to the finish line. Seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind. See me when I skirt off, ain't no 10 in mine. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down the street.
Drinks of Champions. Have a good one. Early shenanigans with the Virtual Media Mobile. We are heading out to goldRush Rally, starting grid over at the Peterson Museum. We're gonna go check out some of the cool cars, get some great footage, and I was thinking, Sam, maybe we should sneak the Tesla in.
Maybe, why not?
Put some decals on it and just hit the rally with them. How many times do you think we're gonna have to charge this car?
A lot.
Funny guy. But we are heading out to Peterson, and yeah, see you guys there. We just made it over to Peterson Museum, and as you guys can hear, the cars are rolling in. We're gonna start walking upstairs since they have the ramps blocked off for all the cars entering. We're gonna walk upstairs, get some footage before anybody else gets here. Sam, are we fanboys at this time since we're here so early? Anyways, we're gonna walk up, get some footage, and it's gonna be a good day. As you guys can see, we are officially here. All the cars are rolling in. I've seen Ramin himself, he's right over there. A bunch of other people pulling in right now. But this is gonna be a fun day.
Racing to the finish line. Seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind. See me when I skirt off, ain't no 10 in mine. Friends keep saying slow down.
Yeah, I thought that Cullinan would have been the most comfortable car, but this right here, this is the most comfortable.
Let me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, I let go. Thinking about the ones I let.
Sam, I was saying I thought that the Cullinan would have been the most comfortable car, but now I'm thinking it's the RS6 Avant. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Now this is a special spec, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I saw one. Oh yeah, it is the RS6 Avant GT. That's a good car. A lot of RS3s. Alex Choi's F1 car right over there with the tag wrap, color changing wrap. He's in the house. Alex show you with his cup car, Porsche cup car, road legal. Sorry. All right, Sam, I got a question for you. Damon, thank you for the hat. Right, Damon?
Yep.
All right, got a question for you.
What's up?
Out of all these cars here, which one's your favorite?
That's a hard one. Probably Alex chose the
Cup car?
Cup car, yeah. But,
I think.
Other than that, I mean, there's a lot of cool cars here. So
Yeah, I mean, I think personally, one of my favorites is gonna be, of course, Damon's Revolto.
that's
But I just saw this.
huh? The aggro pictures.
That's why first time seeing, I think my first time seeing a BMW on the goldRush Rally, but I could be wrong. I mean, can't really go wrong with a BMW, bro. Now imagine maybe the next event, next goldRush rally, we have a G80 M3 right here. What do you think?
Why not?
I think one of my favorite cars, one of my favorite cars in the whole event is gonna have to be the GT3 RS. I mean, it's a driver's car.
Oh yeah.
You can't really go wrong with it. But overall, I think the best wrap in the show itself has to be that Porsche over there.
Yeah.
You want to take a look at it real quick?
Crazy.
So there's actually a couple of them here that are wrapped pretty crazy. So you got the Huracan over here. It's got a nice texture to it. You got this on the 3RS or GT3. But this one right here and this guy right here. I think in my opinion, these two are, in my personal opinion, this one and this one are the best wrapped. What do you guys think? You agree with me or you agree with Sam? Leave a comment below. Let me know which one you guys like. I don't know what it is with the Porsches, but I think this is one of the nicer ones as well as far as the wrap goes.
I think the best wrap is right here. The best color right here.
Do you know Z-Tech?
Yeah, the color shift one.
Sam and I were just talking about specific GT3 RS. He said this one's his favorite. Now, what did you say about this one?
I would take this one, but with instead of the black wheels, I would get it with like a gold, like bronze wheels.
I mean, this is the Murder Outlaw, so.
I mean, yeah, but like imagine gold wheels, and then like instead of the red decals, I would put like gold, like yellow decals almost.
Yeah. But look at this wing. Not. Let's say if you had the money to pick between this and this. Oh, look at those turbos right there.
I would choose this thing.
You go for GT3 RS?
100%.
I mean, it is a driver's car.
But this car is like this car, like against like most of these supercars. Most of them.
The GT3 RS? Most of them. I mean, I would pick the GT3 RS over Huracan, but content-wise, the Huracan probably gets more.
No, not anymore.
Probably not.
Maybe like 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Not right now.
So,
I think the GT3 RS is a lot more content-driven now than.
you think so?
Oh yeah.
Might be wrong there. I might be wrong there.
Like you have two of them right in.
Yeah, but I mean, the GT3 RS, as it comes, the only things that I would say I would personally do on the vehicle is just maybe wheels. I wouldn't touch anything else on the car.
I would even keep the wheels, but like get like that
goldish look.
color.
I mean, yeah, you could paint it, right? But on the Huracan, it has potential. Modifying. This car, I personally wouldn't touch, with the exception of maybe wheels.
Here's the thing: you want a girl who's already gorgeous, or you want someone that you can put makeup and
He said it, not me. He said it, not me. But I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, if I could get either or, I would get either or. At the end of the day, you can get a lot of good content.
Like this Huracan looks very basic to me, in my opinion. And if you look at like the new replacement of Huracan, I'm not a fan of the look. But again, or even like if you look at the new like the Urus or something, like it looks very basic. There's that video from Stars in Ceiling. I don't know if you saw it.
No.
He had one. They had one at the shop. It was like a black one with like silver wheels. It looked like a RAV4, just like a bunch of plastics and stuff.
Watch out!
It seems like the drive is about to start. 10 a.m. is rollout, and all the cars are getting started right now. We'll follow some of the cars along out, and then we'll head out ourselves. I wouldn't want to be pulled over by one of these.
color combo on that GT3 RS.
This color combo? Yeah.
Black, but the satin black.
Gotta love the smell of gas in the morning. For the goldRush Rally starting grid. They're all heading out right now. They're going to go on their ride. We are going to go downstairs and do what? Get in the car and go grab some food?
Yeah.
We're going to grab some food and then we'll plan out the rest of the day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Catch you guys on the next one.
Racing to the finish line. Seatbelt, fast whips, gotta